Welcome back, everyone. Are you tired of writing question mark everywhere in your SQL queries and struggling to manage parameters? Let's make our SQL cleaner. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In the next few videos, we'll explore NamedParameterJdbcTemplate, which makes your SQL queries much more readable and maintainable. This will simplify our database interactions. Are you excited? Alright everyone, let's talk about NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. In our old Jdbc template, we used those confusing question mark placeholders for parameters. Imagine trying to remember which parameter goes where when you have many. It's a parameter nightmare. NamedParameterJdbcTemplate flips the script by letting you use named parameters instead of question marks. This means you can write your SQL with clear, descriptive names, making your queries way more readable and much easier to maintain. It's like having a map for your parameters, so you never lose track of which value goes where. Alright everyone, check out my screen. Normally, when we use Jdbc template, our queries look something like this. Insert into users, ID, name, email, values, question mark, question mark, question mark. Here we have 3 question marks, the first for ID, the second for name, and the third for email. That means we need to maintain the exact order of parameters, which can get confusing and error-prone. Now, with NamedParameterJdbcTemplate, our query looks much clearer. Insert into users, ID, name, email, values, ID, name, email. Notice how each question mark is replaced by a colon followed by a meaningful name, ID, name, and email. This makes it so much easier to understand what each parameter represents, and it eliminates the hassle of keeping track of the order. This approach not only makes your code more readable, but also easier to maintain. Thank you everyone for joining today's session. In our next video, we'll explore how the insert query works using NamedParameterJdbcTemplate. If you're not familiar with Jdbc template and standard SQL queries yet, please check out my Jdbc template video first, because in the next session, we're going to take the existing Jdbc template code and make just a few minimal changes to leverage the power of named parameters. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.